Hello and welcome. This is Wendy with loveandstampin.com. Today we are going to use the Penguin Place bundle and the Penguin Playmates Designer Series paper. You can't buy these yet, so they're available. The bundle is available August 3rd, unless, of course, you purchase the starter kit. I always invite you to join my little Stampin' family. These are the colors we're using: Soft Seafoam, Misty Moonlight, Just Jade, and Fresh Freesia, which is a really pretty color combination. I am a little late getting this video up, but I just wanted to show off this beautiful designer series paper to you guys. This designer series paper will be free with a $50 order starting August 3rd. August 3rd is the launch of the holiday, what I like to call the holiday catalog. It's technically, this year, it's called the August through December mini catalog. Future years, it will be July through December mini catalog. But I just love this designer series paper and the beautiful punch and the stamp set. It is so cute. So add this to your wish list so that when it's time to place your order, you can do that. And like I said, if you want to purchase the starter kit, you can add this bundle to your starter kit. Now, you can't get free celebration items with your starter kit, but you can place an order right after you purchase the starter kit, and not only will you get 20% off that order, you can then get the free celebration items. So here on this card, I just want to tell you I'm keeping it really simple. The little Fresh Freesia mat that I cut is cut at 3 1/8 by 4 1/8. The designer series paper is 3 by 4. The card base is Fresh Freesia, cut at 4 1/4 by 11, folded in half. And then the designer series paper that I layered on top is 4 by 5 1/4, and that little strip is 1 inch by 5 1/2. So super simple measurements, very easy layering, nothing fancy at all happening here. And then we're just going to add a penguin, and we're going to add some cute little a cute sentiment and some embellishments. So while I'm doing that, let's have the shortest story time ever, because this video is only 5 minutes long. But I wanted to show you a really cute, quick, simple card. Also, the color combination is off the hook. So if you want to make some really cute cards, use this color combo. And I did sneak an extra color in here. I used pumpkin pie for the feet and nose of this penguin. So stinking cute. And then we're going to punch him out. So I have just finished watching a series called Dexter. If you are into serial killer type stuff, which I love stuff like that, like true crime, serial killer. We've talked about this before. If you know me, you know it. And there's a show called Dexter, and it's on Amazon Prime. And it was on TV years ago, but I never watched it. So I'm just now getting to see it for the very first time. OMG, people, I love it. So there were 8 seasons, and I have finished and watched all 8 seasons. Can you believe that? I did it actually while I was creating a lot of these cards. I have created multiple swap cards over the past week to 2 weeks, and this is one of my swap cards. I tell you guys all the time about swaps, which is another fantastic benefit of being a demonstrator, is that you get to do swaps. And basically, swaps are when somebody organizes everyone to send in cards, and you send in multiples of the same card, and then you get back in the mail multiple cards that are different. So this is one of my swaps. I will send it in, and I have 13 of these going out for a swap, and then I'll get 13 cards that are different back. So that's really fun. These embellishments, by the way, are sticky on the back, the little stars, and they are part of the Halloween suite, but I thought they worked perfect for this card too. Okay, that is it. Put this bundle on your wish list, And I'll catch you guys in the next video. If you want to shop with me, shoploveandstampin.com. I always appreciate it so, so much. And I do have some goodies that are going to go out in the mail for anybody who places an order with me in the month of July. So make sure you get your order in before the end of the month. And I'll catch you in the next video. Bye-bye, guys. Have a good one.